the story of our first property begins accidentally. Hello, Roseanne.
Welcome to Accidentally Creekside.
I purposefully made it.
You come on in.
Thank you so much. Well, isn't this place something else? I feel like I'm in a museum, not just an Airbnb staycation experience.
Well, it's more of a set, maybe like a movie set.
What's the first thing guests see when they come inside your home?
Well, there's so much to see. I'm not sure what they set their eyes on first, but I would imagine our gallery wall art. So much to see. You could look at it forever and probably never see all the pictures.
And this feels like a great room to gather and stay in the living room because of what you did with not just the furniture, but the colors surrounding the walls and even the fireplace.
Yes, this was a labor of love. We have some rabbits wallpaper.
These colors, they pop and they complement each other. It has to be a little bit of a part of the design element.
Wes Anderson films are the pastel colors, but also the jewel tones, the emerald. And so I did my best to follow suit, and you never run out of things to look at when you're here.
How many people fill up this whole house?
We sleep 12. The primary suite is kind of based off of Royal Tenenbaums, so you'll find some zebra print in there, and then it flows right into the primary bathroom. You go down our quirky hallway, and you'll find the Grand Budapest Hotel. It's very fun, pink wallpaper with lions and tigers on it, and lots of little homages to the movie.
As if right on cue. Wow, thank you, Joel. My goodness. One of the waiters from the Grand Budapest Hotel here as part of our stay. Ooh, this is good. That's what we needed.
Definitely needed that.
Quite an actor right there.
He's great. He comes with our chef that we recommend. You'll see later. We put pretty in-depth guest recommendations, a massage therapist, and some group yoga and sound healing. So people, when they come, they get to experience Sedona and the locals that are here and see what it has to offer.
Did I happen to also see a Steve Zissou bathroom?
We do. We do have a Life Aquatic submersive bathroom. It is a nice, deep, rich blue, and we have a nice, bright yellow skylight. We come over to the other side of the home, and you'll walk through a little kind of mud room that pays homage to fantastic Mr. Fox, the Bunk room, which we kind of put together to be fun. It's got an air hockey table, a foosball table, an arcade. We get a lot more adults than families half the time, and they're enjoying the place.
Roseanne, obviously we love all of the intricate details, but I noticed you have some big set pieces too to celebrate.
We do. And we have some fun newspapers that are part of the Wes Anderson movies. You'll have to take a look at them, read them, see what you think. We also have a vending machine. We made it bright and fun inside, but the outdoors is just amazing. You just have to come out and see it, from oversized giant chess and Jenga, tetherball. We have it all. Speaking of outside, these drinks are great, but the chef's got something great going on in the outdoor kitchen. Let's go take a look.
I'll follow your lead.
Evan, let me introduce you to my husband, Dave. Huge Wes Anderson fan. Really helped me design and lay out the home.
You've got the Academy Award for Design, my friend. Of course.
And this is Chef Nate with Time and Travel, preparing an amazing meal for us tonight.
What's on the menu, Chef?
We got a little grilled calabacitas, we got a lote style corn, braised and grilled short rib. All right, you guys are ready, we'll have a seat.
Let's do it, Royal Tenenbaums style.
Evan, we love Staycation, and we're so happy that you came to visit us here at Accidentally Creekside to visit our quirky, weird Wes Anderson home.
Dave, Roseanne, thank you so much. We couldn't have scripted it any better. Cheers.